Yeah, but what are they going to get? Like, what do they get? Like, ultimately, what are they going to get from learning these new tools and going through the workshop?
You really do get transformed if you show up, right? Like that's the catalyst. You must come in committed, going all in. You're gonna have to, get vulnerable or don't, but that'll impact your results. But if you do like we did and you go all in, you will be transformed.
What does getting vulnerable mean? Because we might have lost half our audience right now because they don't want to get vulnerable.
Ability, I feel like, is getting out of your head, being willing to get in your heart and actually speak from your soul, your heart's desire, that place that's willing to be judged and look dumb and be told you'll never have it. If you could just get that out and convey that, that's so beautiful. That's the authenticity. So people that are struggling in that department, you'll get an opportunity to be vulnerable. But if that doesn't come naturally to you, which it didn't come from me, we have trainers in there and facilitators that know exactly how to coach you and support you. We will show you how to be vulnerable. And then what happens after that is pure magic. That's where transformation comes in. And then you get very connected to your vision. So you start to know, like, what do I actually want? And it could be in any area of your life, but you'll have that. And you walk out, the person you walk in will not be the person that you walk out of.